Dear students, in the 14th episode, discuss about the basic proportionality theorem of a triangle. Then ABC triangle, DE parallel to BC. Therefore, we prove that AD by BD is equal to AE by CE. Once again, that the theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem, we know that what is the statement of that theorem? That is, in a triangle, the line joining two points of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side, then that line segment divide other two sides with a constant ratio. That is the definition for the basic proportion. That is theorem number 6.1. For that one, let us consider triangle ABC and D is parallel to BC, that is given. Then we have to prove that AD by BD is equal to AE by C. That is the proof. Then for that proof, let us consider some constructions. That is draw perpendicular BM to AC and EN to AB. Then join D and B and E, C and D. We get three triangles. First of all, we know that area of any triangle is half base into altitude. Therefore, proof is area of triangle ADE by area triangle BDE, that is with the same side of that triangle ABC, that is AB side, is equal to area of ADE is equal to half into AD into altitude into that one, that is EN, by area triangle BDE, that is equal to half into BD into perpendicular, that perpendicular is what? EN. Therefore, area triangle ADE by area triangle BDE is equal to half into AD into EN by half into BD into EN. Half cancels, we get and EN cancels, we get AD by BD, that is equation number 1. Similarly, consider two triangles with the same side AC, that is triangle ADE and also triangle CDE. Therefore, area triangle ADE by area triangle CDE is equal to half into BAE into altitude, that is DN by half into base CE into altitude, it is also DN. Therefore, half of cancels, DM cancels, we get that is equal to AE by CE, question number 2. We know that for first and second equations, numerator be equal, that is area triangle AD. Therefore, numerators are equal. The denominators are two triangles, that is triangle BDE and CDE. Then we know that DE is the common base of the two triangles and the vertex joining is BC. It is parallel to DE. Therefore, in 9th portion, we know that any triangles with the same base and between parallels are equal in area. Using that criteria or that theorem, we know that area triangle BDE and area triangle CDE are equal. That is area triangle BDE is equal to area triangle CDE. Therefore, the denominators of first and second equations are equal. Numerator is always same because that is triangle ADE. Therefore, 1 and 2 are equal. From equations 1 and 2, we know that AD by BD is equal to AE by C. That is the proof of that basic proportionality theorem. Clear? Then, let us consider that theorem, that is AD by BD is equal to AE by C. There is an equation. Then in the 9th portion, Euclid geometry, basic concept of Euclid geometry, that means equals are adding to equals, the whole are equal. That is a property. Equals are subtracting from equals, they are always equal. Equals are multiplying with the equal, they are always equal. Equals are dividing with equal, they are always equal. But for inequality, that we notice same. Therefore, adding 1 on both sides, that is the not for problems, not a theorem. That is not for problems. That means only is adding. That is AD by BD is equal plus 1 is equal to AE by CE plus 1. That is for problem only, not for theorem. Then for a sum of fractions or integers with a fraction, we take a LCM. That means multiplying BD to 1. Therefore, AD plus BD by BD is equal to AE plus CE by CE. What is AD plus BD? AD plus BD is equal to AB. That is AD by BD is equal to AE plus CE. That is AC by CE. That is one point. That is the first point for order is AB by BD is equal to AC by CE. This is one point for problem. Similarly, we get the reciprocals of left and right. That is BD by AD is equal to C is equal to C by AD. Similarly, adding 1 on both sides. Therefore, we get BD plus AD by AD is equal to CE plus AE by AE. That is BD plus AD is AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. That is second property, that is AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. That means AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. Understand? Similarly, AB by BD is equal to AC by C. That is the second result. These two results for the problems only. The problems only. Then what is basic proportionality theorem? A line joining 2 points of 2 sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side, then that the line segment divide the 2 sides with the same ratio or percentage ratio. That is the basic proportionality theorem. Then second theorem is theorem number 6.2. What is basic here? The line joining 2 sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side, then that line segment divide other 2 sides with a constant ratio. The converse of these two is what? That theorem is what? Converse means the statement is DE parallel to BC. Then prove that AD by BD is equal to AE by C. That is the first theorem, basic property theorem. That means given that DE parallel to BC. Prove that AD by BD is equal to AE by CE. The converse is given that AD by BD is equal to AE by CE, then prove that DE parallel to BC. That is the converse. Converse means statement and proof of the first theorem is interchanged by the statement and the proof and statement of second theorem. That is the converse. Therefore, converse is any line divide two sides of a triangle with a constant ratio, comma, it is parallel to third side. That is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. That is the statement of that one. For that, let us consider triangle ABC. That is the proof. DE is the line segment that makes statement in triangle ABC, AD by BD is equal to AE by CE. That is given. We have to prove that what is the condition? DE parallel to BC. That is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. For that one, this is the construction. That is either. That means construction is what? Draw DRAW DE dash parallel to BC. That means not given that D is parallel to BC, we can prove that one. Therefore, our construction is what? Draw DE dash parallel to BC. Therefore, AD by BD is equal to AE dash by E dash E dash C dash. What's it? By basic proportionality theorem. That is BPT. Basic proportionality theorem. We know the theorem. That is the first theorem. This one is given, it is equation number 1. This one is we obtained by basic proportionality theorem number 2. We know that for the first theorem, the left side is AD by BD. For the second theorem, the left side is also AD by BD. That means from 1 and 2, the left sides are equal. Therefore, similarly, we know that the right sides are equal. The left sides of two equations are equal. Then right sides also equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2, AE by CE is equal to AE dash by CE dash. That is left of first and the left of second are equal, therefore right side are equal from 1 and 2. What is this one? AE by CE is equal to AE dash by CE dash, which implies that what? E and E dash coincide with one another. E and E dash coincide. What do you mean? Coincide. That is joined with one another. Two points coincide with one another. That means that the E dash moves and it is coincident with E. That means E and E dash are same. That means E is equal to E dash. These 2 points are equal. That means D E dash is parallel to BC. It is their construction. E dash and also E are coincident with one another. Therefore, D parallel to BC. That means E and D E dash parallel to BC. It is our construction. But we can prove that we have to prove that we prove that what E and E dash coincide with one another. Therefore, E dash is replaced by E. Therefore, D E dash parallel to BC implies that D E parallel to BC. That is the proof of that the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Here, then once again that is second theorem. The converse of prove step and prove the converse of basic proportionality theorem. That is your question. First of all, we can state that one. Any line segment divide two sides of a triangle with a constant ratio, then that line segment is parallel to the third side. That is the basic statement of theorem number 6.2. That is converse of basic proportionality theorem. To prove that one, first of all we consider a triangle ABC and joint D and E, that is D, draw D. Then from the statement of that theorem, in triangle ABC, DE divide that side with a constant ratio. Therefore, AD by BD is equal to AE by C. That is given. It is equation number 1. Then construction is construct DE dash. That is our assumption. Construction is DE dash is parallel to BC. Therefore, by the basic proportionality theorem, AD by BD is equal to AE dash by CE dash. That is equation number 2. For first and second equations, we know that left side are equal, that is AD by BD. Therefore, right side are equal, that is AE by CE is equal to AE dash by CE dash. Which implies that E and E dash be coincide with one another. That means the point is E is always same as E dash. Therefore, E dash is replaced by E. Therefore, DE dash parallel to BC is our construction, and we prove that E and E dash coincide. Therefore, DE is parallel to BC. That is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Okay. Then discuss once again these two theorems. And the first theorem is basic proportionality theorem, and the second one is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Once again, that the first theorem, that in a triangle, any line segment joining two sides of that triangle is parallel to the third side that divide the line two line sides with a constant ratio. That is the basic proportionality theorem. Then we have to prove this theorem. First of all, we write as in triangle ABC that DE is parallel to BC. That is given. We have to prove that AD by BD is equal to AE by C. That is our proof. For that one, first construction is draw DM parallel to perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to N. Joined B and E, then C and D. We know that area of any triangle is half base into altitude. Therefore, area triangle ADE, that is with the base AD and altitude EN. that is half into AD into EN. And area triangle BDE, that is base is BD and altitude is always EN. Therefore, that is half into BD into EN. Therefore, area triangle ADE by area triangle BDE is equal to half into AD into EN by half into BD into EN. EN cancels, half cancels, that is equal to AD by BD. Question number 1. Similarly, let us consider the second side as AC as base of two triangles. Therefore, area triangle ADE is equal to half into AE into DM. And the triangle, second triangle CDE, half into CE into DM. Therefore, area triangle ADE by area triangle CDE is equal to half into AE into DM by half into CE into EM. EM and half cancels, we get that is equal to AE by C. Question number 2. We know that the numerator of first and the second are equal, that is same as the area triangle ADE. But we know that the other two triangles are triangle BDE and CDE are two triangles with the same base D and between parallel to other two vertices, that is DE is parallel to BC is given. Therefore, by the theorem for that ninth unit, 9th class, we know that area triangles with the same base and between parallels are equal. Therefore, area triangle BDE is equal to area triangle CDB using that theorem. Therefore, the denominators of first and second are equal. Therefore, the first and the second equations are equal. Therefore, from 1 and 2, AD by BD is equal to AE by C. That is the basic proportionality theorem. Then the note for that theorem is, therefore, AB by AD is equal to AC by CE, or AB by BD is equal to AC by C. That is the note for problems. Then the converse is 6.2, that is second theorem. In basic proportionality theorem, any line segment joining two sides is parallel to the third side, that may divide the other two sides with a constant ratio. The converse is proof and statement being interchanged. We get to the converse. Therefore, in a triangle, any line segment divided two sides with a constant ratio, that line segment is parallel to the third side, that is the converse. To prove that theorem, first of all we consider triangle ABC, then DE is the line joining. Given that AD by BD is equal to AE by CE, that is our given, that is our assumption. Then the cusp to prove that what DE is parallel to BC. Then construction, draw DE dash parallel to BC. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem, AD by BD is equal to AE dash by CE dash. That is equation number 2. We know that for equation first, AD by BD is equal to AE by CE. For second, AD by BD is equal to AE dash by CE dash. We know that the left side of these two triangles, that equations are equal, therefore right sides are equal. That is AE from 1 and 2, AE by CE is equal to AE dash by CE dash, which implies that C and E dash coincide with one another. Therefore, the point E is the same point E dash. Therefore, E dash is replaced by E, DE parallel to BC. That is the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Okay. Then theorem number 3, 6.3. That is 6.3 theorem is theorem number 6.3, a criteria of similarity. We can prove that. That means A means two angles are equal, then sides are also equal. This triangle ABC. This triangle is PQR. PQR. Then, what is the statement? Three angles of two triangles are equal, comma, they are similar. They are similar. Clear? That means the third theorem is 6.3, three angles of two triangles are equal, then they are similar. That means what is given, three angles are equal is given. Therefore, given that angle A, that means in triangle ABC and PQR. Chord, that is angle A is equal to angle B, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. That is given. To prove that AB triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. That's the condition. Then we prove this one with the congruency of triangle. Congruency triangles, the two triangles are congruent, their sides are equal and their corresponding angles are equal. That is the congruency of triangles. Construct DE parallel to this QR, that is construction. Draw DE parallel to QR such that S to that is such that AB is equal to PD, AC is equal to PD. That is our construction. That means construct DE parallel to QR such that AB is equal to PD and AD is equal to BD. That is our construction. Therefore, we know that these two lines are parallel. That is BD parallel to QR and also parallel to DE. Therefore, these two angles are equal. That is corresponding angles. Therefore, angle Q is equal to angle D. Angle R is equal to angle E. That is corresponding angles. We know that angle A is equal to angle P. Then angle A is equal to angle P. Angle P is equal to angle A is equal to angle P. Then angle B is equal to angle Q. Therefore, angle Q is equal to angle D. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle D. Or otherwise, AB is equal to PD. AC is equal to PE. angle A is equal to angle B, it is given. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent triangle PDE. That means these two sides are equal and these two angles are equal. What is the property? SAS criteria. Or these two angles are equal, therefore these two sides are equal. That is SAS criteria. Or any one criteria, we prove that these two triangles are congruent triangles. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle D. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle D. Angle C is equal to angle E. That is CPCT. What is CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. That is CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. That is CPCT. This one, angle A is equal to angle B. Then we know that D is parallel to QR. Therefore, AD by AQ by AD. Sorry, PQ by PD is equal to PR by PE. That is basic proportionality theorem. This equation. Then we know that PD is equal to AB. P is equal to AC. Therefore, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. From these two, we know that PQ by AB is equal to PR by AC. That means two sides are proportional. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. That means side angle side criteria. That is AB is replaced by PD. Or PD is replaced by AB. And AC is replaced and PE is replaced by AB. Yes. Therefore, we get PQ by AB is equal to PR by AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar. Triangle PQR, that is SK. Listen, what is the theorem? Theorem 6.3, that is the similarity of triangles, that means three angles of a triangle are equal to the corresponding three angles of other triangle, comma they are similar. That is our theorem. Therefore, constructing two triangle ABC and PQR, given that what is it? Angle A is equal to angle B, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. That is similar. We have to prove that triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. These are our proof. Then for that one, construction. What is the construction? Draw DE parallel to QR such that AB is equal to PD and AC is equal to PE. That is our construction. That is equation number 1. Therefore, by basic proportionality theorem, we know that PQ by PD is equal to PR by PE. That is basic proportionality theorem. Then we know that angle A is equal to angle B, AB is equal to PD, and AC is equal to PE. Therefore, triangle, that is given. that is corresponding given. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent triangle ABD, that is SAS criteria for congruency. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle D, angle C is equal to angle E. That is CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. We know that this DE is parallel towards QR. Therefore, angle D is equal to angle Q, angle E is equal to angle R. That is corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, angle Q is equal to angle D, but angle B is equal to angle Q. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle Q and angle D is equal to angle Q. Therefore, these are equal. That is, these two angles are equal. Therefore, that these two triangles are equal. Therefore, simplicity. Therefore, that AB, that PD is replaced by AB and PE is replaced by AC. Therefore, this equation is replaced by PQ, by PD is replaced by AB is equal to PR by AC. Therefore, it is always equal to what? QR by BC. Therefore, the sides are in proportion of these two triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay. This is the theorem number 3 of that chapter. Then theorem number 6.4. 6.4 theorem, that is yes criteria. What is SS criteria? That is 3 sides of a triangle are in proportional to the corresponding three sides of another triangle, comma, they are similar. That is the theorem number 4. That means 3 sides of a triangle are in proportional with the corresponding 3 sides of another triangle, comma, they are similar. For that one, the same construction, that is triangle ABC, then triangle PQR, then DE. That means what is given? The sides of first triangle and also sides of second triangle are in proportion. That is statement. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. QR is equal to AC by PR. That is given. We have to prove that triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Okay. Then construction. Draw DE parallel to QR such that AB is equal to BD, AC is equal to DE. Therefore, BC is equal to D. That means two sides are equal, the 10 sides are not equal. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent triangle PDE. As a result, these two sides AB is equal to BD, AC is equal to BE, therefore BC is equal to D. That is side criteria, three sides of the congruency. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle angle D, angle C is equal to angle E. That is CPC. Clear? We know that DE parallel to QR. DE parallel to QR. Therefore, angle D is equal to angle Q, angle E is equal to angle R. That is CPCP. Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle D. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle D. Angle D is equal to angle Q. This is 1, this one is 2. From 1 angle to this one, angle B is equal to angle D. Angle D is equal to angle Q. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle D, angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle E, and angle E is equal to angle R. Therefore, angle C is equal to angle R. That means angle A is equal to angle P from that is CPCT. Corresponding angles are equal. That is CPC. And we know that angle P is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Therefore, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. That is angle criteria. That is the proof. Okay. The first theorem is basic proportionality theorem. Second is converse of basic proportionality theorem. Third one is the angles of corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, they are congruent. And the fourth one is the sides of two triangles are in proportional, they are similar. Okay.